Hello, now I want to show you how you can perform gradient calculation in PyTorch. And this is a feature that you will see in every neural network, because in every neural network you have a forward pass through the network and then the backward calculation to update the gradients. All of this you will learn on the course in much more detail. Here I'm just going to show you some simple example. We are going to create a tensor, torch.tensor, with a certain value, 2 for example, and we will work with a mathematical formula. Let's just take this one, x minus 3 times, and this is a formula. You could still do it by hand, but it's already getting quite tedious because the formula is a bit more complicated, and PyTorch is taking a lot of the work for you. Because if you want to calculate the gradient, which is meaning the slope at the curve, so here we have now a curve, so the y-axis, if you think back to a graph, you have the horizontal axis x and the vertical axis y, and the values are a function of x. And what we are now calculating is at a certain position, at a certain x position of 2, what is the gradient, what is the slope at this position on the curve. So we can do that easily by just calling y.backward. And if we run that, we will see that there is an issue. If you check the error message, it helps you actually by solving it because it says does not require grad. That is what we have in a different video already seen. We have to create the tensor with the parameter requires grad equals true, and that is ensuring that this functionality is activated and we can run it and it's working. And now we can call x.grad to get the slope at this position on the graph, and it's 14. So this is everything that you have to know for now for performing this backward loop of a neural network, or in other words, how to perform gradient calculation. Thank you very much and goodbye.